Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we're gonna discuss about life insurance guides to policies and companies. Before starting that, I want to say that please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any updated. And please keep supporting me because your support encourages me to do very well to bring some good videos with you. So that's why please subscribe my channel and please support me. Today we're gonna discuss about policies and companies. So what is life insurance? That is the main question for everyone. What is life insurance? The answer is life insurance is a contract between an insurance policies owner. A life insurance policy guarantees that insurer pays a sum of money to name beneficiaries when the insurance die, and the exchange for the premiums paid by the policy holder during their lifetime. The life insurance application must accurately disclose the insured's past and current health condition and high risk activities to enforce the contract. And this is the key takeaways. What is the key takeaways? We're going to read this. First one is life insurance is a legally binding contract that pay a death benefit to the policy owner when the insurer dies. For a life insurance policy to remains in force, the policyholder must pay a single premium or pay regular premium over time. Uh, then when the insurance dies and the policy name beneficiaries will receive the policy face value or death benefit. Terms life insurance policies expire after a certain number of years. Permanent life insurance policy remain active until the insured dies, stop paying premiums, or surrender the policy. A life insurance policy is only as good as the financial strength of the company that issues it. State guarantee fund may pay claims to the issued scant. Type of life insurance. There are many type of life insurance, and we are going to find out about this. So many different type of life insurance are available to meet all sort of needs and performance depending on the short or long term needs of the person to be insured. The major choice of whether to select temporary or permanent life insurance is important to consider. uh, terms life insurance lasts a certain number of years, then ends. You choose the terms when you take out the policy. Common terms are 10, 20 or 30 years. The best terms in life insurance policy balance affordably with long term finance strength. Discussing term life insurance is renewable terms life insurance with coverage decreasing over the life of the policy at the predetermined rate. Convertible terms life insurance allow policyholder to convert a terms policy to permanent insurance. Renewable terms life insurance provide a quit for the years the policy is processed, and the premiums increase annually and are usually the less expensive terms insurance in beginning. So there are is four kind of terms in life insurance. First one is decreasing terms, second one is convertible terms, and third one is renewable terms. And we read about this, and that is the permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance stay in force for the insured interest life useless. The policyholder stop paying the premium or surrender the policy. It's typically more expensive than the terms. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that accomplishes cash value. Life insurance allow the policyholder to use the cash value for many pushes, such as a source of loans or cash or pay policy premium. Universal life UL is a type of permanent life insurance with a cash value component that earns interest. Universal life feature flexible premium. Unlike terms and whole life, the premium can be adjusted over time and designed with a level death benefit or increased death benefit. Index universal IUL is a type of universal life insurance that lets policyholder earn a fixed or 20 extent rate of returns on the cash value component. Variable universal life insurance allow the policyholder to invest the policy cash value in an available separate account. It's also has flexible premium, can be designed with a level debt benefit or an increasing debt benefit. And here is the top rated companies. You guys can see this top rated companies and their coverage capacity over 5 million, maximum issues posashi. You guys can see the stamp whole UL, IUL value final expensive, and there is the someone you guys can find out about their name. This is the Mass Mutual. This is the protective life insurance. This is the nationwide life insurance mutual of Uma, Garden, USA based, New York life based. You guys can see this. Then company names is here also. Terms versus permanent life insurance. Here you guys can find out every information from the permanent life insurance. Is several ways that it tends to best meet the needs of most people. Terms life insurance only list for a set period of time and pay a death benefit should that policyholder die before the terms has expired. Permanent life insurance stay in the effective as long as the policyholder pay the premium. Another critical difference involve premiums. Terms life is uh, generally much less expensive than permanent life because it does not involve binding a cash value. Before you apply for the life insurance, you should analyze your financial situation and determine how much money would be required to maintain your beneficiary's standard of life or meet the need of which you are pushing a policy. For example, if you are a permanently caretaker and have children 2 and 4 years old, you would want enough insurance to cover your uh, custodial responsibilities until your children are grown up and able to support themselves. So I hope that you guys uh, uh, find out life insurance guide to policy and companies. So this is for today. See you soon, and we will discuss about other article with life insurance. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, goodbye.